saved up to buy a home and a few rental properties. They were so...
Testing, testing, testing. Testing, testing. Testing. Alright, there we go. Alrighty, hold on, give me a second. So the purpose of today's stream is actually going to be, I got a lot of comments on my last posts. So I need to make a lot of update videos. It's probably going to be like an hour, but if a lot of people show up, which I highly doubt because it's Friday, we'll do like a 2-hour live streaming and we could just look at everybody's coins. But yeah, I need to look at Book of Ethereum, Spell Token, Kerwit Knife, Neon, Open Custody, Jasmine, Maniki, Wiko, Goldfinch. So I have a lot of coins that I need to look at, simultaneous to also looking at the coins of what you guys chat. So that's the purpose. And the reason why I'm doing that right now, today, is because tomorrow I'm doing my watch list videos. So tomorrow I'm going to be doing my all of these videos. So it's going to be kind of hectic. So I don't want to have too much work to do tomorrow. So yeah, what's up, David? What's up, Detroit Diesel? How are you guys? Wow, just right into it. Shapeshift Fox. All right, let's look at Fox. Let's see if anything's happened. I know people are eager right now for their coins to go up, but the truth is that until Bitcoin dominance collapses, there's no alt season. So I know like 99% of the time Bitcoin goes up and altcoins don't follow, and we have to wait for alt season, which isn't the case. If you're looking at some other coins that are, oh, well, this coin's going up, this coin's going up, trust me when I say that the majority of coins aren't moving right now. So yeah, so like I know you're eager for Shapeshift Fox to move, but the truth is that right now, until we get some sort of recovery bounce that pushes us over resistance, Shapeshift Fox is not bullish. However, again, we've seen this plenty of times where we have this downtrend, and then the downtrend breaks, and then we start the bull run, right? So you just have to be patient, and in the meantime, we have to wait and see how low it goes. So for Shapeshift, we already set that we have support at around 3 cents. So that is a valid support. It hasn't been tagged yet, so 3 cents is next. Once we break 4.5 to 5 cents, 4.5 to 5 cents 80, you're looking at around 16 cents, which is the previous high. Once that breaks, then yeah, we're just gonna go to the moon. So not financial advice. I don't like doing long-term targets because if we can't even get over the 236382, then there's no point in talking about it. So we need to take it step at a time. Step. What's up, Detroit Diesel? I already said what's up. What's going on, man? Flog, I appreciate what you do. You're welcome. Yeah, I think I have I think Moonbound has this coin. So I have a graph drawn for Flog. So let's see where it's at. Yeah, so for Flog, it's still valid. So 11 to 14 cents is still support. As long as it stays in this band, then you are looking at the next target, which is around 51 cents. At any point, if we break below $11.56, which is the lower part of this band, we are going to get a bigger capitulation down. So again, you can clearly see nothing has changed from the last time we looked at Flog. It is all the targets right now are still valid, and nothing needs to be changed. We're going to keep it very simple, right? So not financial advice. So theoretically, if you're trying to buy Flog and if you already have your position, a risky play would be to wait if it goes down to this box and then accumulate, right? But knowing that and knowing what I just said, you would also take into consideration the risk of what if that support doesn't hold, then we are going to get a bigger capitulation down. So you just got to do what's best for you. Orion coin went crazy. Oh, I was looking at, that's like the 6 or 70 cent like dollar coin, right? Wait, it probably like rebranded. Yeah, this was like the dollar coin on Coinbase, right? This is on Coinbase? Yeah, it is. It looks like it like rebranded. That's interesting. The Orion to Lumina token swap is live with Binance trading live as well. Oh, maybe they got listed on Binance. Yeah, so 14 hours ago, maybe they got listed on Binance. So that's what happened with Orion. So yeah, congratulations to whoever bought this coin. What's up, Bullish on Parade? Did we look at Maneki? No, we didn't. But also I need to look at that and I need to make a video on it because somebody asked for it. Let me see. Yeah, someone asked for Maneki. Alright, I need to make a video on this. Oh, we broke resistance. Nice. Okay. Taking a look at Maneki on the live stream, it seems like based on our last graph and our saved graph, we have broken over resistance. So at this point, we can redraw our targets, and we have new targets on the way up. So from the high to the low, clearly we broke resistance. Next target up is going to be around 2.097, so around 1 cent. And then as far as areas of support go, given that this isn't this is the top, we are looking at support around crucial support around 2.063 and 2.069. This absolutely does need to hold for a continuation up. If this doesn't hold, then we are going to go back down to these lows. If it does, then the target on top at 2.097, so around 1 cent, is still valid. Once that breaks, we're looking at 12.17, previous all-time high. And then clearly when Maneki goes parabolic, and if Maneki goes parabolic and goes into price discovery mode, we are looking at up to 10 cents. Not financial advice, just my opinion. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bam, Maneki's done. See, like, I have to actually comment and be like, update, post, update, video, tonight. Because this guy probably doesn't know, I'm live streaming. Oh, Q1T too. Alright, let's see. Yo, saw your Slim video some month ago. Let's have a look. Where could it reverse? Slim. What is this? Oh, Solanium? Did I do a video on this? Oh, Somnium. No, that's Cube. Let me see. Did I make a video on this? Anyway, let's take a look at Solanium. What's up, Flip Coins? I already got you. Don't even worry about it. I got you. I'm gonna hit you with used car, and then just whatever else. Let me know. I got you. Slim. Where could it reverse? Well, market cap 8 million, fully diluted. Oh, okay, so this is fully diluted. That's a good sign. That means that no more surprises. And it looks like it looks solid. What's up, Free Lightning? I'm glad you can make it. From the high to the low, we do absolutely have to stay over 8 cents 43. Yeah, used car and Billy. I got you, Flip Coins. I'll do that after this. So 8 cents 40 absolutely does need to hold. We have support, or sorry, we have resistance though at this box. And then last line of defense for support for Somnium, which clearly, actually, unfortunately, we broke the 618. So it would be around 5 cents 60. So given that you're already in Slim, not financial advice, I would probably like dollar cost at 8 cents 40, and then I would dollar cost at 5 cents 60. If it, however, you should take into consideration that if the last line of defense does fail, we are going to capitulate much lower and go back to these lows. So you got to do what's best for you at that point. So not financial advice. What's up, Free Lightning? What's up, Yikes? I'm glad you can make it. Yeah, used car. So let's see. Let's see how it's looking. Yeah, so everything's still valid. So remember, I said 2 cents 60. Sorry. Yeah, 1 cent 60 to 2. Why is there multiple? I wonder why this is here. Oh, that's why. That's the higher part of it. Yeah, so okay, so we said, sorry, this is took too long. 1 cent 60 to 2 cents is, well, okay, but what's this line? This line, I think I needed to delete that line and I just didn't, and I'm getting confused. We said that 2 cents to 2 cents 60 is support. Clearly, you can see we came back down, and now we're going back up. So we are stuck at resistance though. Once 2 cents 60, well, actually we're over it. 2661, 2679. So technically we are over it. Next target is still valid at 3 cents 70. But if you're looking at like areas of support, you're looking at 2 cents. So on the way down, 2 cents absolutely needs to hold. If 2 cents doesn't hold, then you're probably going to get a bigger capitulation down. At that point, the next area of support is going to be yeah, that's probably what that line was, right? Yeah, so 1 cent 60, 1 cent 40 will go 1 cent 40. So you are going to get a bigger capitulation down to 1 cent 40, but as long as we're over 2 cents 2 cents 42, we should be fine. So clearly I'm going to save the graph and we'll look at it next time. But you really want to see this, right? You really want to see like consolidation over this level, and then once we break out, then we're looking at the next level up. What you don't want to see is another rejection, because technically you're making a lower high, and then you're going to get what all the coins are doing, including mine, which is basically stuck in a downtrend. Which like even this has. You see what I mean? So you don't want to see this, and it looks like, yeah. So it looks like not that that's going to happen, but we do have to continue up, otherwise. Damn, thank you so much for that. That's awesome. I really appreciate the super chat. That's awesome. Wow. Like I tried to catch you before that because I know you always super chat. So I was like, hey, I got you. Like I'm already gonna look at it. And thank you so much. I really appreciate it. That's amazing. That's really cool. Thank you. So we're gonna save this and we're gonna take a look at it next time. Again, worst case scenario, last line of defense is around 1 cent 40. If 1 cent 40 doesn't hold, then we are gonna get exactly this, which is almost every coin. Like look, like even this coin, you know, you have this, and then you have this like this downtrend and then consolidation. So, you're looking at like even Elon has this, right? Almost every single coin had that, like right pop, and then you got downward and then consolidation. So it's not a good feeling. Billy, let's look at Billy, see what has changed with my graph. Yeah, so Billy's solid. Billy is over 23.29. We clearly blew past it. The next target is 23. So let me, at this point, yeah, I'm gonna, well, no, we don't need to change that. If you want a shorter target though, yeah, if you want a shorter target, you're looking at once this previous high breaks, you're looking at 8 cents. So right now 8 cents is on the table, and clearly you can see that we broke out of this downtrend. So we're breaking, so I wouldn't doubt us coming back and retesting it as support followed by breakout. And 8 cents is next, followed by 12, 23, and up to $1.23. So you got to do what's best for you. Like again, if you're like selling on the way up, then theoretically, you know, you should probably take, not financial advice, but I would take profits at these levels, at 8, 12, 23, and then and not the majority of it. You want to let the majority of it run. to up to $1.23 if you think that this is a good play, and if this is going to go up. But I don't know anything about Billy, so you're going to have to decide that. And then, and again, thank you so much for the super chat. What was the other coin you said? Oh, CKB for high during this bull run. Okay, let's see. What's CKB? Oh, okay. For high during this bull run? Okay. See, the problem is they released coins. You see how the market cap is higher than what it was before here in 2021, but the price is actually a little bit less. It seems like it's fully diluted, but the problem is that it has an infinite max supply. I personally don't like that coin, but then again, so does, I think Ethereum has max supply, right? Sorry, not max supply, like infinite supply. Yeah, see, like under max supply, it has an infinite. So it's not necessarily bad. It's just that, is this going to be like the coin? And let's see. Let's see if this is going to be the coin. Right. Yeah, and this is exactly what you're waiting for. Like I'm waiting for. But again, like if used car does something like this, where you come back down, you really want the 1 cent 40 to hold, and then you'll get some sort of a reversal, right? If that doesn't happen, then you're just gonna get something like that. So, all right. So how high do I think that? So 20x for a coin that is $677 million. What is that? That's around $13 billion. So it's not completely impossible. Hello? Oh man, did I lose you guys? So 20x for a coin that is... Oh, I didn't lose you guys. Okay. Yeah, so 30 cents on the high end for flip coins. For high, but it's up to 30 cents. So I really don't know like where it's gonna land, but we know that we have a fib up here. So, and again, we're like really bullish because we're even over the 618. So next target is 786, followed by previous all-time high, and then you're looking at up to around 30 cents. So you gotta figure out at what point you're gonna sell, because that is, again, that if it actually does hit that target, that's around a 20x. So yeah, that's what I think. And again, a 20x would put it at 12 billion. So that is very possible in my opinion, given that this coin is a valid coin and it's a good coin, right? So not financial advice, just my opinion. And I hope that made sense. Yeah, got in at the lows. Shame I didn't take some profits. It had a nice bounce. What coin are you talking about? You make your video on 7th. You made your video, 17th of July, yeah. We're always bearish. What's the point of TA? Well, the point of TA is actually because we look at, again, 99% of the people, they just kind of buy. But for TA, we have to, we really want to take the opportunity to buy the bounce, buy the lows. So let me show you, let me just show you an example. So, and this is what I'm telling flip coins, right? This is and if you can understand this and actually stick with it, then you're solid. Then you're gonna be good. So if you pick a coin like XLM, for example. So last bull run, I was actually here for it, and unfortunately, I didn't stick to any of the plans. But anyway, so from the high to the low. Say say I bought at the 382 and I'm like, okay, 382. Say I bought at the 236, and say I bought at the at the all the way at the bottom, right? So for this, say you put in $1,000 here, and then you say, okay, well, I know it. Let's say at least it goes up to the 618. From this low all the way up to the 618, that's around an 8x. So you would have your sell targets there. Oh. It was a joke. Okay, all right, never mind then. Everyone else, you just lost it. I thought he was serious. My bad. But yeah, we use it for areas of support, and then we also look at the, we look at the RSI, and if you were to buy all the way in the red here, and you're like, oh, I'm gonna sell it in the green because we know that it's gonna at least go back up. you would be up 67%. And even though you didn't hit the high all the way, it doesn't matter because you already know that 99% of the time Bitcoin bleeds. But yeah. Anyway, so yeah, so let's not look at XLM anymore because that's depressing. Let's see. Can you look at Shiba? Oh, let's look at SHIB. Why is Shiba Inu moving? Oh, it is, but so is Dogecoin. Yeah, Shiba's getting a nice little bounce from the high to the low. We're breaking. Oh, we're attempting to break out. Yeah. So if it breaks out, we're probably going to come retest this. And then is it going to be 0.0002? No, it's 5. Yeah. Damn, imagine if it actually goes that high. That's crazy. So Shiba Inu, taking a look at Shiba Inu. Yeah, so the 786 quite didn't get tagged. It looks like we held 618 support. And now we're going back up. And we are breaking the 236 resistance at this point. So Shiba Inu is about to turn super bullish. So congratulations. Next target, I would put it at 4045. However, if we get rejected at the 382, we are going to come back down and consolidate. So keep that in mind. And also keep in mind that we are in a downtrend. So if we do get a rejection down, we are probably going to consolidate before we start moving back up. So not financial advice. I'm planning on rotating coins during the bull run. This will be my first bull run. What kind of daily gains do you see on hot coins percent wise? Oh, easily 50 to 100%. I've easily seen, so like my biggest thing was last time Tezos. I actually traded that, but the problem is that you really don't know when to sell, and it's so hard. I like Coinbase because there's a lot of liquidity and trades happening. So there's a lot of buy and sell orders on Coinbase. I don't really use the swaps or anything like that. But I know that, for example, Tezos last time, it was a solid play. I remember I actually made money on this transaction. Right, change it to, it was on Coinbase, and it was didn't get listed here. It was here. Yeah, it was. I got it at 99 cents. Yeah, I got it here. So this is where I got it, and because I remember it was like 80 cents, 90 cents, and then I sold it at like $1.50. Yeah, I sold it here, and I made like 50%. Like from here to here is literally 50%. Isn't that crazy? And then of course, because when you sell, it goes up, and I would have been up like 3x. Or if you had held it long enough, you would be up like a lot more than that. But I'm just saying, like easily 50 to 100%. If you think about it, like, and this coin was on Coinbase, right? So if you buy the dip, you sell the top, that's 200%. You know, you buy here, that's 400%. So if you're actually trying to trade it, you just have to know, when to get out and when to do it. And one indicator that we can use is definitely the RSI, because in a bull run, when you are oversold, you are making a higher low. So theoretically, if you're like, hey, like, let me say like you sold here because obviously it's in the green, right? You take your profit, you're like, okay, let's look at the RSI, let's wait until it gets in the red. And if you actually wait until it gets in the red and you buy here, right, you would be maximizing your next profit, and then you would be okay to sell at any point here and make profit. But again, you got to pick a coin like this where it's actually a solid coin, or like Shiba Inu is even a solid coin. Dogecoin is a solid coin. So you're getting into trading, right? If you're doing like rotating wise, you're not really like me, somebody that's like, oh, like let me try to turn $1,000 into like $1 million, right? You're looking at 50%, 100%, and like coins like this, and especially when you can get out, like on Coinbase, is the solid play to do. So as far as like what kind of daily gains, I do see, like I would, like if you see Coinbase, like your coin's up 50 to 100%, bounce, right? Or wait until it gets overbought in the green, because every single time it got overbought, we of course had some sort of sell-off. right? Overbought, except this time, I guess. Not even. You still made, you still went lower. So, yeah. And don't get married with trying to sell the top. And yeah, that's all. That's it. FET. Okay, well, unfortunately, I have to look at. Thank you so much for the super chat, by the way. I really appreciate it. I don't know if I said that, but thank you. What did this guy say about Book of Ethereum? This will be the best performing crypto ever. This is the real ecosystem coming from SHIB, Bone, and Leash. Book of Ethereum has a trinity. Book of Ethereum, History of Pepe, and Profit of Ethereum. Please do TA on Believers for Profit of Ethereum and History of Pepe also, please. Also, for the people that hold the Trinity, we just airdropped NFTs called Believer. Oh, so this guy's like trying to get me to, he's trying to get me to like shill his, he's trying to shill his coin. But I think he actually created it, right? If he's saying that he's airdropping people that. So yeah, that's, okay, we're not going to look at Book of Ethereum. That was way too much. That was a really long message. All right, let's see. Spell token. Oh, can you please update ABT? Sure. Arc block. Alrighty. Taking a look at ABT arc block on the live stream. So nothing has changed, unfortunately. I know everyone's excited with Bitcoin going up, but nothing has changed with arc block. Unfortunately, we are still in resistance, and clearly you can see that we came up and tagged the high end of the channel, which is still resistance, and we got rejected. So basically, nothing's bullish until we're over this box, meaning we get over it and stay over it, not we get over it and bleed back into it, right? Because you can see here we got rejected twice and now we're consolidating. So it's not necessarily bad because we're still over $1.43, but it's not good because we're not over $1.83. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Once this breaks, I do put the next target at the previous high at 469. However, if it doesn't break, then you are looking at a downtrend forming, and that won't be good for arc block. No financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you in the next video. Let's see. Let's check the chat. Hey, you think ICP is dead? I think ICP is a very expensive coin to get into. Trading the parabolic leg for BTC during the last phase is hard. It is. That being said, we don't even know if we will get a straight leg up this time either. Yeah, you're right. We won't. And that's what the scary part is, because I felt the same thing that I felt last time. Last time when Bitcoin was going up, and I remember I told you, I told you guys this story plenty of time. When Bitcoin was going up last bull run, I had XLM, and every single time Bitcoin went up, like a big chunk, XLM wouldn't move. Same with like the old coins, XRP, Litecoin, whatever. And it's a psychological thing, because every single time it went up, I was like, oh man, like we were so used to Bitcoin dropping like 5, 10, 15% and taking our coins with it. So I was like, oh, now that it went up this much and my coin didn't move, what about if Bitcoin breaks down and now my coin's going to even go lower than before? And that was the biggest struggle, and that's what basically broke me last bull run. It's because I thought my coin was just going to keep making lower lows. But it didn't. And we started going, we absolutely like blew up on out of here. So it wasn't a good feeling. But yeah, I messed up with XLM last bull run, basically, long story short. And oh yeah, the reason why I was telling you that story is because it feels the same right now. Like, look at Bitcoin, it's going up, and our coins it's up 9%, and our coin's not even moved, right? You know, it goes from 59,000 to 69,000. It went up $10,000, and you know, for our coins haven't even really moved, right? Like OXT, what is this piece of garbage? But anyway, it is what it is. I'm not going to make the same mistakes that I did last time, so we'll just have to, you know, take it day at a time until we make it. If Bitcoin hits $100,000 in December, that would be amazing. Yeah, but like how how many bullish Decembers have we had? Let's look. This is also valid too. I feel like, oh, we need to look at this. I feel like we need to look at this because, like for example, you know, how many, not control H, but what's the vertical? Alt V. Okay, so we're looking at, yeah, so we're looking at, basically we fell. And I guess technically we consolidated and then this time we went up, but that doesn't count. Let's see. Damn, it's really kind of all over the place, huh? These are also rough estimates. I'm not going to get it right every single time. Okay, so I mean, it looks like every single time. Wait. Yeah, so okay, so here's the from 2019. So in December we were consolidating, we went up and then we fell. In 2020 we consolidated and then we had our monster run. 2021 consolidated followed by a drop. 2022 consolidated and then we started going up. 2020, where's 23? Oh, this is 2023. So 2023 we consolidated and then now we're moving up. So what about if we're here? What if we're, yeah, like what if we're somewhere here and we're waiting for this, right? That would be pretty bad, but yeah, because how many days has it been? It's a good question. So from here to, no, wait, what am I trying to do? Oh, for this. Yeah, we're coming up on 228 days. Yeah, so I guess what I'm trying to show you is that, like here we made a higher high, right? But what about if this time we're not going to make that higher high? And what I'm looking at is consolidation, move up, and then basically, you know, after a year, we consolidated and broke down. And so consolidated, move up after a year, breakdown. So I'm hoping not. I'm hoping not. But also that's a real thing. And I know some people are gonna be like, oh, you're bearish. It's going to zero. Well, yeah. I mean, if that's the case, then I'm also gonna lose my money, and I don't want that. Nobody wants to lose their money. But we have to act like if there's money involved, you have to actually like accept that. I don't think so. I think that I'm out probably by April of next year. I'm just gonna put my money in my bank. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Insane Clown Posse. What is that? Conan Lasher? Eric for Shapeshift Decentralized Box. Oh. Mitch Ray brought up OXT. That's a good sign. Let's go, OXT. I remember I started making YouTube videos, and the only video I would post about is OXT. And I was posting videos back in 2020, but it's funny because on YouTube, it had my personal information in the videos. And this is back in the day, because I would have an Excel spreadsheet with all the data, and I would like make videos, and then it had my name and like some other sensitive information in there. So what I did was I ended up deleting those videos off of this channel. It was on this channel. I ended up deleting it. So yeah. Let's see. Okay, I have to look at Crow with Knife. And let's see what it did. Oh, it's still stuck in resistance. So taking a look at Crow with Knife. So taking a look at the graph previously drawn, it looks like nothing has changed from the last time that we looked at it. We are still stuck in the box, which is resistance. Until we get over 7049 and stay over it, nothing is bullish with Ka. As long as we stay over 7037, it is still a good sign because we are still in resistance and we are bouncing theoretically from the lower end of the band. However, if that breaks, the support level at 7026 becomes valid. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Once that breaks, previous all-time high at 6014 is valid, and then from there we'll have to redraw our targets. Not financial advice, just my opinion. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alrighty. OXT. What do I think about Maker? It's funny, I actually just looked at it. Look. Oh, it's not on here. I just looked at it. It's at like 1300. Yeah, so this is 1200. So I like Maker. I think it's a solid coin. I also like the fact that the total locked value is 4 times more than the fully diluted value of the market. So it's a 1.21 million fully diluted market cap, and the total locked value right now for Maker is 4.23 billion. What that tells me is that basically it's undervalued. It's an undervalued coin at the current price. There's more investment than what the coin's actually worth. I think it's just a little bit too expensive for me. I wouldn't buy, but yeah, but I think it's a solid play. So if that's what you're asking me, Shapeshift Fox token, nothing to do with Fox Network. What do you think about Maker? Supro? Hey, what's up, booties? I mentioned Duco, but you missed it. Oh, Duco. What's Duco? My bad. Bullish. Count Dooku? Is that what it is? Count Dooku. What is this? Oh, is this a meme coin? Alright, let's look at it. Let's look at it for ya. Taking a look at Duco. Is this the full graph, though? Oh, I'm on the hourly. No wonder. Alright. Taking a look at Count Dooku for February 2024. February 2024. Okay, yeah, this is the right graph. Oh, it's just consolidating. So, yeah, taking a look at Dooku, we're going to save this graph for you. But unfortunately, yeah, it came all the way back up and then it got rejected. That's unfortunate. So from the high to the low, we do have resistance, so it is not bullish until we get over this box. Well, what is it to its all-time high? Back up to its all-time high, you're looking at a 5x, given the market cap's only 11.9 million, and the liquidity to market cap ratio isn't that bad, considering it's at 711,000 to 11.9 million. So what is that, like a little bit under 10%, so like 7-8%. 5x, you're looking at around $55-60 million market cap and around a $3.54 million liquidity. So it's not too bad. It's not too crazy. However, the unfortunate part is we are under the resistance band, which is at 12 to 17. As long as we stay under this band, then it is still bearish. And in terms of support go, you're not really looking at any more, I guess, hold on. We could take it from this move. Yeah, so the next area of support, which we already tagged, actually we tagged twice, is around 3079. So not financial advice, just my opinion, but that's what I think. Once this breaks, I would probably say easy, fast move back up to around the all-time high, but you might also get a triple top and then you might just fall off the table. So I would probably take profits if I were you, but you know, if this is the coin, if this is it, if this is what's going to do what like that SPX, whatever 6900 is going to do, then you're looking at the next target up, which we'll just put this just in case it is one of that one coin. You're looking at around a 25x. So and even that would put it still under 300 million market cap. So yeah, that's what I think about. And we're going to save this, so next time you're in here, you can ask for it, and I'll have a graph saved for you. Thinking of moving my profit from Turbo and Big Time into Maker. Well, hold on. Let's look. at Maker, let's look at the RSI and the stock RSI. Remember, if you're gonna do that, you need to look at the RSI and the stock RSI because you don't want to buy when it's in the green. Oh, it's actually in the red, which means that it's actually extremely oversold. Yeah, this would be a good time. Like if I were buying Maker, I would buy right now because again, look, literally the RSI is in the red. So that's actually, this would theoretically be a good time to buy. But again, not financial advice. You gotta do what's best for you. But again, don't buy when it's in the green, right? When it's all the way up here. Even though we are in a bull run and technically it doesn't matter, but if you ever buy when we're in a bear market and it is kind of bearish right now, right? We are going down. Then you're looking at lower highs, right? You're looking at literally making lower highs. So you just keep that in mind. It is temporarily bearish right now, so it really doesn't matter, but just also be aware of that. But we can see the RSIs over here. The stock RSI is completely reset, so theoretically this would be a good time to accumulate or start a position. So let's see. Fox token on Coinbase doesn't have to trade on decentralized exchanges or wallets. Damn, it was hard to. Whoa. Excuse me. Hello. Oh my god, watch I like lose my voice right now. What do you mean by low float? Like a root beer float? What does that even mean, low float? What is he talking about? 12.42 million liquidity, fully diluted. Let's look at the market cap. So they are releasing a little bit of coins, which again, keep in mind because I'm not even going to use this data because look, there were no released coins, right? And this previous market cap was 120 million and the price was around 27 cents. And then now the market cap is 12 million. So what is that, like 10 times less? Yeah, so you're looking at 3 cents. So they clearly released most of their coins here. But I also don't know their release schedule, so just be careful with that. Low float, 1 billion max supply, yeah, that's true. But their circulation supply is 377 million, so just be careful with that. What's up? What's up, What's up, Deejberry? What's up, Deejberry Doughboy? Buy high, sell low. Yeah, that's exactly what I did with OXT. Hey guys, it's Crypto Meow Analysis coming at you with an update video on OXT. The problem is that last time I was in Vision's live stream, he looked at OXT and he said that like the liquidity sucks, and the liquidity is only $5.6 thousand, so that's not good. But anyway, let's see. Oh, open custody protocol. I need to make a video on that. Someone's asking for it. Okay. Taking a look at open custody protocol open on the live stream for a subscriber. Yeah, let's take a look at it. Let's see if anything has changed. So nothing has changed with open custody protocol. It is still below its resistance. So clearly we set that if it doesn't get over resistance, then we are going to go back down to the lows. Keep in mind that we also did come up and get stuck in resistance and get rejected. So given that this isn't the low and it doesn't consolidate over this previous all-time low, we are looking at the next area of support being around 2026. Not financial advice, just my opinion. And yeah, I mean, if we had looked at it here, you would see that we bounced perfectly on the 1618, and then we made a lower low, right? And if we probably take our fib from here to here, this would be a target, right? I'm assuming. Yep, it is. So that's exactly why we look at this, because look here, like, let me delete this and then show you guys. So say like, you know, people ask for open custody protocol and like, hey, when's a good time to buy? Well, given that this isn't the all-time low, given that this isn't like the all-time low consolidates and then reverses, the next area of support I would have had, given not knowing this information, would have been this line. So we would have came down, we would have actually went below this line, but we would have bounced and consolidated for a little bit. At that point, we would have did that again, fit from the low to the high, and then you could see that we have another area of support here. So these are all areas that are good to theoretically dollar cost average down, because at least you're going to get some sort of dollar, and if you want to sell it, you're not going to sell at a loss, but you have to, the only time that you would sell is if you actually think that's going to go lower and make a lower low, right? Which nobody really knows, so you have to figure that out on your own. But anyway, I hope that made sense. None of this is financial advice, it is my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alright, let's see. Jasmy. I gotta make a video on Jasmy, and then I'll take a look at the chats. Nothing has changed with Jasmy. Hey guys, it's Cryptomia Analysis coming at you on the live stream with an update video on Jasmy. I'm going to make another video tomorrow because I'm making my watch list coins. But for the time being, nothing has changed with Jasmy. We are still over the 382 on the macro perspective, and then we have resistance all the way up from 2 cents to 2 cents 30. So as long as it's under this box, then it is still bearish. However, once we break that, then I do put the next target at the previous high. At any point, if we break under 1 cent 70, then we are going to get a bigger capitulation down. We'll have to draw the target at that point. Not financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video, which is going to be posted tomorrow because I am going to make my watch list videos. Thank you, and yeah, that's it. That's all I got. Jasmy, oh, QNT. Let's look at the chat. See if, oh, control token just hit a 10x. Oh, let's look at our, yeah, control token. Let's go. How is everyone doing a control token? Okay, so so we need to redraw our targets, but clearly support held, resistance broke, we're on our way to 1 cent. Perfect TA though. I gotta give myself some credit here. So let me redraw the targets. But yeah, let's look at where it was. Did it 10x? No, that's 12%. But are you talking about if you bought like the lows? Let's see. It's not a 10x. It's from the low to the high, it's a 3x. Not bad. 1 million liquidity, 10 million market cap. It's not a bad coin. From the low to the high, we can see that as long as it stays in this, as long as it stays over this box, the next target is valid at around 1 cent, and then yeah, we'll have to just look at the next target once 1 cent does break. So yeah. Taking a look at control token, as long as it's over 0093 to 0097, our next target at 01 is next. However, if it does break below that, then we are going to get a bigger capitulation down. Not financial advice. QNT. This guy said, is quant debt Harlem fashion? I don't know. Let's look. Take a look at quant on the live stream for Harlem fashion. Let's look at, he said, is quant dead? And I don't know. So we are still under $69. That is bearish. We are under, actually we're still in resistance technically, but we need to break 69 cents because that is the 236 from the low to the high. Once we break resistance, I do put quant back up to around $148. But again, it could be just a giant consolidation period where we have this giant consolidation happening. So I don't know if it needs to break $1.48. On the downside, I would put quant's last area of support, which we've already tagged before at the 786. We've tagged it twice. So as long as it's over here, then we're not making a lower low. But if this doesn't hold, then we are going to go back down to $40 and retest the low for possibly a double bottom, if not capitulate more. Not financial advice, just my opinion, but this is unfortunately how it is for coins that are close to the all-time low. There's really no more room for them to go down other than reaching their previous all-time low. So not financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alrighty, did quant, GF. Man, people get so bearish. It's absolutely insane. This guy's like, any guess on why GFI is so dead? Well, it's probably because there's no volume, right? Well, I guess, yeah, 1.1, there isn't enough buying for whatever reason. And also, the only, like, I don't understand, like, this, for people that ask, especially for these coins, like, your coin's still up 5x. Your coin did a, you know, almost a 20x. So for people that are asking that, I really hope they didn't buy the top, because if they did, then that's why they're asking, because they're down at this point. They're down like, you know, 70%. So if whoever bought the high is down literally like $700 if they put in $1,000. Or like, for example, here, 45%, they're down $450 before the next move up if they bought the high, which is why we talk about it every single time in every live stream. Don't buy it when the RSI is in the green, but also don't chase pumps, right? Because you're gonna get absolutely wrecked. But anyway, I gotta make a video for them, so give me a second. Taking a look at Goldfinch on the live stream. So nothing is bearish about Goldfinch because we are still over the 236 and we are actually still over the 0.5. So again, the next target once we break the 1618 is the previous all-time high. Keep in mind that we do have resistance at this box at around $2.10 and $2.48, and $1.79 absolutely does need to hold. However, if it doesn't, then we are looking at a bigger move down, and that bigger move down will probably take us closer to $1.44. So yeah, not financial advice, just my opinion. And again, as of right now, I mean, we are just still consolidating, so we just probably have to wait a little bit longer before the altcoin season does start. But once altcoin season starts, coins like Goldfinch and these other coins like Jasmy that are still up like 4 to 5x from their lows, they're going to be the true winners, in my opinion, because a lot of coins are down at the all-time lows, but you have coins like, again, Goldfinch and Jasmy that did a 20x almost, and they're still over 4 to 5x from their all-time lows, from their lows back in October 2023. So not financial advice, just my opinion, and I hope that made sense, and I'll catch you in the next video. Alrighty, so yeah, we're coming up on an hour. The chat seems kind of, or like, I mean, it's Friday night. I didn't expect to get a lot of people, and especially because I'm going live tomorrow after Vision. But I made all my videos. I have to edit them, so I'll look at the chat to get any more, any last videos for you guys, and then I'll call it a night, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. But let me know what you guys want me to look at. I'll look at the next like 10 coins. Actually, 10 coins is going to take a long time. It's going to be like 20 minutes, right? So let's look at the next 5 coins, and then we'll 10 coins is fine. I don't even think people will ask for 10 coins. All right, so feeling good. That's good for you, man. Feeling good is always good. Can you check block lords? Yeah, this is another coin that Coinbase dropped, and they're releasing coins on everyone. So for Gilberto, you always have to look at the market cap relative to the fully diluted market, the total supply versus the circulation supply. The reason why I'm telling you this is because I got wrecked last time because I bought a coin that wasn't fully circulated, and what happened is it was listed on Coinbase. I bought it, and then throughout the course of 4 years, they ended up unlocking all the coins, and my value, the value of my dollars, went absolutely to zero. And the reason why I'm telling you this is because Block Lords was just listed on Coinbase. I saw it get listed on Coinbase. and the market cap is 7 million and the fully diluted is 61 million, meaning that the circulation supply is 11 million out of their total supply of 100 million. So if you're going coin market cap, and if you want to check this yourself, you can look at market cap, and then you can kind of see when they released coins. So they first started releasing coins in July of 2024 this year, which corresponds with obviously this price. And I don't see any more. Actually, did they? Yeah, did they release coins? It looks like they did. I just can't find it, right? Yeah, because the market cap is lower than what the market cap was here, but the price is actually the same, right? So again, be careful. Be careful with these coins, but I'll still do TA for you. It's just unfortunate because it's not really valid TA, especially when the circulation supply isn't even valid, right? So I don't even want to take this from the high to the low, but it's okay. We'll still do it. From the high to the low, nothing's bullish with block lords until we break 82 cents. Once 82 cents, then we have a shot at a bottom. If we come back down, as long as we consolidate and hold this low, we should be fine. Clearly, there is no more support for block lord, and it does have to stay over 56 cents. If for whatever reason 56 cents doesn't, 56, 57 cents doesn't hold, we are looking at a bigger move down and a capitulation down to around 47 cents. So for example, if we were to, if we were to take our fit from here to here, oh, I guess not. Okay, that's fine. So yeah, that's what I think about block lords. Just be careful with that. It's coming from a good place. It's not like this coin. I don't know that this coin's gonna go to like $1 million and I want you to like miss out on it, right? It's not like that at all. It's just literally circulation supply and then like the total supply. Can you do my favorite Altcoin? Ugh, Altcoin. What? No, I'm just joking. It's solid. It's valid. I remember my friend had Altcoin here, and it did in his portfolio divided by 10. So that's why I'm not a big fan of it, because of that. But taking, oh wait, what happened? What? How did? Oh my God! What the heck happened? No way! How did this thing just jump from? How did this just jump from the right side to the left side? I don't know if I can do this. Oh, never mind. I got it. Sorry, I'm tripping. I'm tripping right now. From the high to the low, Altcoin is not bullish until we break resistance at around 16 to 21. So 2016, 2021. Once that breaks, I do put it at the previous high at around 0.05. However, because we're all the way down at the lows, yeah, it would just be this. And this didn't hold. So for whatever reason, if we do break down, the last area of support is 0.08. 308. And that's given that this previous low isn't the low and it doesn't bounce and consolidate from here and then eventually break out of resistance. So just be careful with that. No financial advice. Can you check Gala and when, please? Yes. Ooh, Gala, you're in Gala still? You know, I was looking at that. It's on, it's still on Gemini. It's still on Gemini. I was looking at Gala on Gemini right here. So yeah, taking a look at Gala, fully diluted 800. So it's almost fully diluted. That's good. No more circulation. No more circulation being released on the community. So that's good. That is a good sign. So taking a look at Gala. Okay, so like nothing's bullish with Gala, and so we're in resistance. It's trying to be bullish. Oh, red alert! Gala's trying to break out. However, we are on the bottom side of the spectrum, so of this band. So as long as Gala stays between 2 cents and 27 cents, you are still stuck in resistance. Once 27 cents breaks, then you are looking at a retest of this previous high at around 8 cents. When that breaks, then I'd say Gala to the moon. However, if we don't stay over 2 cents, so on the downside, which is the lower side of the resistance band, then you are, there's no more there's no more support. So the next area of support is going to be the previous low. And for whatever reason, if that doesn't hold, then you are going to get a major breakdown. which does validate this giant downtrend that we are in. So, not financial advice, just my opinion, but that's what I think about Gala. So again, 2 cents to 27 cents. We're in the middle, so we're good right now. You don't have to worry about it. Best case scenario, 27 cents breaks, meaning that we break over it and we stay over it, consolidate over that level. And then 8 cents is next as far as the target goes. However, if 2 cents does break, then I put the next area target support at around 1 cent 26, which unfortunately is the all-time low. So just be careful with that. And then when? Oh, I think I have a graph drawn for when, right? No, this isn't the right one. It's like the dog one, right? Yeah, this one. Yeah, so same thing here. Not touching the graph at all. So we said that we have resistance at 301 to 3014, meaning it could even come back up to the high end of the resistance band and still get rejected. Unfortunately, we didn't, but we did break 0001, but we got rejected. So nothing's bullish right now. It's just going to consolidate. If it consolidates over 4079, then it's still solid, right? You're consolidating. You should theoretically, it is going to have time to break out of this downtrend, right? So you'll have time to come back down, even consolidate, and then break out, and then you'd be invalidating this downtrend we're in. But again, if 4079 breaks, then we're going even lower than that. But once we break around 3001 to 3014, then we are looking at the when bull run starting. So I would put the next high at, let's see, I don't know. I don't like looking at it though, but yeah, like 3018, 3002, 3032, and then the previous all-time high, and then you're looking at up to around 2016, which is around a 15x. So that is still going to put the market cap around 1 billion, so very possible for a 15x. Not financial advice, just my opinion. I hope that made sense. I know it's a lot of information, but these are my targets. Thanks for the feedback. You're welcome. Just be careful. Moji and Kitty AI. Okay, booties. I think I have Kitty AI graph drawn. I do. Yeah, so there was little to look at for Kitty AI. So again, on the downside, 3034 needs to hold, which we're well over at this point. So which means that, hold on, let me actually give you an update on as far as support goes. No, I can't do that. Yeah, because it already kind of broke down. This is a gamble, so just be, yeah, oh yeah, no wonder. Yeah, that's why I did that, because it's a $1 million market cap coin. So be careful, obviously you know that, it's a gamble coin. So 205 is still valid and is still the next target. Once that breaks, and if it doesn't triple top, we are looking at around 5 cents 80 being the next target on the way up. At any point, if it breaks below 3034, we're going back down and we're going to get a big capitulation down. So, not financial advice, just my opinion. And then what's Moji? I don't know, like $1 million market cap. Okay, I don't know how I'm supposed to do TA on this. I hope you didn't buy here. Yeah, dang. Are you talking about this coin? Am I looking at the right coin? Okay, well this one isn't any better. And this one isn't any better. Okay, you're gonna have to tell me if that was the right Moji. And if that was the right Moji, I can't look at that, because there's nothing to look at. Moji just came out. Yeah, October 14th. So 4 days ago. I mean, I guess let's look at it on the hourly. I guess. Alright, I'll do like some really crappy TA on this because there's barely any information on the hourly. Hey, I just made a video for you, Harlem. I'll look at it on the live stream, but I just made a video for you, and I was gonna reply to your comment when I posted the video after this, because, yeah. Anyway, I'll get to you. I'll get to you in about a second. Let me do this for booties really quick. So we have resistance at 305 to 201, and then I would put the next target at previous high, and then from there we're going to the moon, And then for whatever reason, if this isn't the bottom, then we are going to basically go to zero. That's all I got. So not financial advice, just my opinion. Here, actually, let's look at that. Yeah, we put the target here and here. I'll save the graph, and then next time we'll just see what happens. But yeah, if this doesn't do anything, then we're probably going to go to zero. But I'll save the graph for you anyway. So we'll take it from there. All right. Yeah, so Harlem, I just did a video for you on QNT, but I'll do another one for you because you're here. You get to see it live in action. All right, so yeah, so QNT isn't dead yet, but there's nothing bullish about it. I think because we're not over the 236 on the macro, we're not $69, we're not even over it. However, we are in resistance, right? So technically it is bearish on the macro perspective, but on the shorter term, we have a chance. We have a shot at a bottom. So once it breaks $75, I do put the next target at this previous high around 148. But again, like I said in my video, we can come all the way back up here and then just get a giant consolidation period for like 2 years or 3 years, right? Where we go all the way back up and then get rejected. And then in terms of support goes, there is no more support for quant. Oh wait, no, there was, yeah, $57 and then previous all-time low. So like 40 bucks. Not financial advice, just my opinion. But again, I didn't count this because we already broke it. Yeah. So given that this isn't the low, technically we'll be making a higher low. $40, $39, whatever this wick was, is going to be the last line of defense. And if that breaks, then we are going to look at a bigger capitulation down. So not financial advice, just my opinion. And then you said you wanted turbo. Yeah, okay, let's look at turbo. I have a saved graph for you. So taking a look at turbo. Yeah, so it's still holding the box. We said, and yeah, so the RSI cooled off. We had a sell-off. Stock RSI is resetting. That's good. For turbo, as long as we're over 2.085 to around 1 cent, the next target at 2 cents is valid, which, yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. Really nothing else to show here. But yeah, I hope that made sense. Let's see. Let me just make sure I did everybody's video because I did get a lot of comments. So GFI, Jasmine, I did QNT, which was your comment, which I actually made a video for you. Jasmine, thanks for the update. Needs a lot. I made a video on OpenAI. Oh, Neon EVM. Someone's asking for Neon EVM. That's what I missed. So Neon. I gotta make a video, so taking a look at Neon EVM for the gentleman who asked for it in the comments. You have 60,000 Neon coins, which is what, like 10,000 is 4,200, 6 times that is 24,000. So you have like $24,000 worth of Neon. That's a lot of money. So first of all, if Neon goes back up to its all-time high, you're looking at around 8x, which is around around $220,000. So that's not bad. But let's see where Neon is at in terms of. Yeah, see, it's unfortunate because we came back up and we tagged resistance at the 236 and we got rejected. Same thing happened here. If, at this low, we came back and we got stuck at resistance and then we fell. Same thing here, right? So it's literally just stuck in this horrible downtrend, right? Same with here. Came back up. We actually didn't even come back up here. We just fell off the table. So nothing's bullish with Neon EVM until we break over and stay over 51 cents. So yeah, and then in terms of support goes, on the macro perspective, for whatever reason, if that's not the low, then the next area of support is 16 cents. I'm not saying it's going to go down that low. I don't think it is. But if in case we do go back down, we need to consolidate and then eventually break out, and then we should be good to go from there. So it just depends. Again, it depends on how long it takes and how long it consolidates. But worst case scenario, if we do break under 26 cents, then the next area of support is 16. I'm not saying that that's necessarily going to get tagged. I'm just saying that clearly we are stuck in this downtrend, and it could go anywhere here, including, you know, let's just say 20 cents and then bounce from there. So I just don't know. But we know that the next area support is 16. 26 is holding, and so far so good. I mean, it's not, we didn't come all the way back down yet, so it's not over yet for Neon. No financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you in the next video. Oh, okay, I had to stop recording that. Hey, need help? No help? Well, the wife is home, so Fool has been live for 69 minutes. Real influencer now. Heck yeah. Heck yeah, that's what I'm trying. Math token, next level of support. All right, let's see. Oh, you know what? I got to do DIA. Thanks for reminding me. I got to look at DIA. Hey, there's a lot of stuff going on right now, but I couldn't do it. Yeah. All right. I got to look at this. Taking a look at DIA on the live stream. So we are officially going to look at it on the macro time frame. we broke the 382 at around 74 cents, so that is very bullish. We got rejected at the 0.5. The next target is the 618, 786, previous all-time high, and then clearly you're looking at up to around $45, right? All these targets are valid as long as it stays over support, which is going to put you back down to, around 69 to 88 cents. So as long as it comes back down, you know, resets the RSI and the stock RSI, and it holds this area of support, then you should be solid. So not financial advice, just my opinion. And $1.64 is in play as of right now. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bam. All right. Math, taking a look at math. Back to work. Yeah. Are you still holding Dojo on Mars? Yeah, I am. WTF fools. My coins are going up. Check Gala. What's going on? Is Gala exploding? Yeah, we already saw this. We already talked about this. So Gala's in resistance. Next area is 27. Once that breaks, you're looking at 3 cents 60, 6.5 cents. Once that breaks, it's gonna go to the moon. Gala to the moon. Congratulations, you just got off work and your coin's going up, and it's up 10% on the day. So you made extra money today, so congratulations. Math. Oh yeah, I gotta look at math before I call it a day. Oh, nice. Math's going high. Yeah, I'm gonna make a video on this too, actually. Taking a look at math on live stream. Based on the last video, we said we broke out of resistance, which was for 28 cents. Very solid. We did put the next target at around 84 cents, which is still valid. As of right now, support does need to hold at between 33 and 40 cents. I don't know if it changed from the last time. Actually, it did change from the last time we made a video. So as of right now, we have support at 30 to 40 cents. As long as that target does hold, 84 cents is still on the play. For whatever reason, if it doesn't, then we're going to probably start a horrible downtrend. So I'm not trying to scare you. I'm just saying this area absolutely does need to hold for a continuation up. Not financial advice, just my opinion. I hope that made sense. Very simple. 40 to 33 cents support, 84 cents next target. That's it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bam. I seen, what is this? I seen that $20 done earlier. You're killing it. Yeah, I know, dude. That guy, like, he always sends me super chats, and I'm like, dude, like, thank you so. And he's a member. That's awesome. Like, that guy's like really helping me out. He's helping me feed my cats. But that's awesome. And you know, it's crazy because I saw his name and I was like, oh, hey, like, whatever you want, like, I got you. Just type what coin you want. You don't even have to like send me anything, because like he's already sent me enough. he's good for life. You know what I mean? He no expectations, nothing. Like he's good. Like I know his name, flip coins. Like he's already sent me a lot. So that's awesome. Like every single time he comes, like for the most part he does give big donations, like $10, $5, $20. So it's really nice of him. I really do appreciate it. Roy's Army, Creme, Mr. Creme. Just got off of work. Nice 12-hour shift today, but made it to the live stream. You already know what coin I want. I need a bonus. Some Rendino coin. Yeah. All right, let's look at Gummy. Let's look at Gummy for Roy's Army. Taking a look at Gummy. Ooh, we broke. Okay, so unfortunately we're breaking down. This isn't good. Thank you so much for the super chat, by the way. I really appreciate it. Taking a look at Gummy for Roy's Army. 2.095 unfortunately didn't hold, so I'm deleting this area. Last line of defense for Gummy is around 2.082. For whatever reason, if that doesn't hold, then we are going to go back down to these lows. And then this is usually when you get consolidation followed by a breakout. However, and at that point, if this low does hold, then this is still valid in terms of area of resistance. However, if this low doesn't hold, then you are looking at possibly making a lower low and continuing this downtrend that we're in. So, not financial advice, obviously, just my opinion. 0.082 absolutely does need to hold. And then what was your other coin? You have Pepe 2. That's right. I feel like I'm like remembering every single coin. For Pepe 2, RSI is normal. Stock RSI doesn't matter. Same with Pepe 2. Again, nothing. We're breaking down. However, for Pepe 2, 7.024 absolutely does need to hold. That I think, what is that? 76? Or did I just draw that off? Yeah, I did draw that off because it has to be up here. 7.025. So same with this. As long as it stays over 7.025, then you are going to get consolidation, and you're still going to get stuck at this 236.382 resistance. Once this does break, then Pepe 2 to the moon. But again, we are below this resistance right now. So if we don't get back over it, or at least inside of it and consolidate, we are looking at possibly a retesting 7.025 worst case scenario. Not financial advice, and it's just my opinion. And thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate it. What's going on with Bitcoin right now? And then that was it, right? Those two coins, those are your coins, Gummy and Pepe 2, right? What am I missing? I'm missing a coin. I feel like you asked me for another coin. Yeah, we broke 67,800. This is so bullish. Yeah, so I mean, I'm doing TA on Bitcoin, but look at this. So bullish. So, taking a look at Bitcoin. I should probably make a Bitcoin video. As long as it stays over 62 to 64,000, our next target at 68,400 needs to break again. Theoretically, if we go back down that low, and we shouldn't get stuck at it, hopefully. 74,000 previous all-time highs next, followed by 96,240, which is up to that point. Obviously, not exact target for people that take things literally. Please don't take it literally. I say up to 96,000. And if you're like, I wonder why you're saying up to 96,000, you don't even know. Yeah, you're right, I don't. But I know that given my position and what my coins are going to be at when it does break the all-time high, then it gives me a better idea of when to sell. So if you don't know what that means, then good luck. I wish the best to you. But yeah, that's what I think about Bitcoin. My biggest holding is Dogecoin. I didn't know that. Why don't you ever ask for Dogecoin content? Is it because Vision makes like daily Dogecoin content? Taking a look at Dogecoin for Mr. Roy's Army that's worked a 12-hour shift today. Yeah, so Dogecoin's looking super bullish. First of all, we not only broke out of this in September, end of September, we came down, retested the downtrend of support, and then we got a bounce from it. Dogecoin is up right now. Yeah, 32. This is crazy. That's congratulations. RSI, stock RSI. Yeah, we're overbought though, so just be careful with this, okay? I mean, not necessarily, you know, it's not a bad thing, right? Because even here we made a higher high. But again, just be careful because we're in the green. And usually whenever we're up here, we are going to get some sort of sell-off. Not all the time. We could continue up. Like sell-off in the short term, not in the long frame. Not in the long frame. So yeah, so next target's 15. Micro targets, not macro targets. 22. And then... Damn, that would be nice. So, taking a look at Dogecoin for Roy's Army, we have resistance at around 15 cents, 18 cents, 22 cents. The next resistance is little to no resistance up to 41 cents, previous all-time high. And then you're looking at up to $4 Dogecoin, which would be absolutely insane. So if you actually do hold it that high and it goes that high, congratulations. But yeah. Yeah, that's it. Which I have 1,000 in Dogecoin, but I've only got a couple hundred in Pepe too. So your $1,000 would be what? Like back up to its all-time high from the current price. So $5 grand. But if it goes up to $4, you're looking at 30 grand. So yeah, I don't know. I don't even know how you would split that up, right? Maybe sell half at all-time. Maybe sell half at 41 cents in case it doesn't go up, and then half of that at 75, and then half of that at that, because that would still be around like 15 grand if you sell on the way up. But again, that's unless you're gonna hold all $1,000 and then wait until it's $4, right? You don't know if it's gonna hit $4. Hey, what's up, Indian Kitchen? I already know what you're gonna ask for, and I'm gonna make a video for you because I already know. Oh, nice. Everything's being validated. Okay. Taking a look at Jesus Coin on the live stream for the #1 subscriber that I have, which I don't know if he wants me to say his name or not. But taking a look at Jesus Coin, clearly you can see that we came down based on... Hey, man, I'm not going to remake that video. You guys are just going to have to deal with it. So we have support at 6016 and 6019. And clearly we came down and we actually tagged the bottom of this band, and now we're getting a bounce. This target at 6035 is valid still, and then once that breaks, we are looking at previous all-time highs, followed by 5026. Again, nothing has changed from the last time I drew this graph and saved it, so nothing is going to change now. It's all the targets are live and are still valid. Not financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Yeah, I didn't want to say her name, but because like I made a clip and I'm gonna post it, but hold on. Oh, the cat's here. Taking a look at the cat outside, it seems like he wants some treats, and then our cats are upset because there's a cat outside there. Here, go on. Hey, eat your treats. Come on. There we go. All right, treat time's over. All right, man. I've been live for an hour and a half now, so that's not bad. Let me look at my comments. I looked at Eon, cost, spell token, which... Oh, no, he wanted ABT, Quant, Jasmine. Yeah, so that's it. I did all my videos, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. I am going to end the live stream. And one other thing is I really need to figure out a way to do my intro and outro, because right now I just like straight up just hit end. But like I want to do what some YouTubers do, also like Vision does, where he has an intro and then an outro where I could just put that and then like let it run its course. But I'll figure that out. I don't know how to do it yet. I'm still trying to figure it out. But yeah, that's all. Oh, I guess we're gonna keep going. Well, I'm not holding until Cleveland price. Oh, yeah, right. 420. LOL. But I do plan on selling around $1.20 all at once. Hold on, let me see. Let me look at this for you. Because where'd you get $1.20? Hold on. So let's take this off of log. I want to see where you got $1.20. So taking this off of log. Oh yeah. Well, $1.06, dude. Imagine if it hits $1.16. Hey, Royce. Hey, change that target to $1.16, man. Because we have a fib here, unless I drew it off. Hold on. Now I'm like. Okay. Yeah, $1.16. Hey, Royce, you gotta change your target to $1.16. It can't be $1.20. But yeah, so not on log. We do have a we do have a target at $1.16. From the low to the high, you're looking at around a 7x. So you're looking at around $7,000. So yeah, that is a target. That's probably where he got $1.20 from, because he didn't probably do it on log. And the reason why he didn't do it on log is probably because we're already at a $20 billion market cap. And how high can Dogecoin actually go, right? So yeah. Oh wow, super chat's coming in. You guys really don't want to go. Hey, please do Goldfinch protocol. I actually just made a video on Goldfinch that I'm gonna post. I made a video on Goldfinch on a live stream, but if I have time, I'll do it again for you. But I've already been live for an hour and a half, so just FYI. Do the backpack hits, Floss, and see you next time. I'm just going off Vision's price. Yeah, so $1.16. Oh wow, it's flying. It's actually flying. Are we catching this live? We broke 14 cents. Yo, let's go. Looking at Dogecoin on the minute time frame, it looks like we're having some sort of breakout on the minute time frame. Let's see. $1.16 sounds good. I'm not greedy. Let's go. Hey, Dogecoin, is this it? Is this it? Louis the Cool, thank you so much for the super chat. That's awesome. Yeah, I'll take a look at Suku and Nero for you. Let's look at Suku. Actually, I'll make a video on Suku, because I haven't made a video on Suku in a while. So, taking a look at Suku on the live stream, because we haven't done a video on Suku in a while. Yeah, so unfortunately nothing as of yet is bullish. It is super compressed right now with Suku. We do have resistance at between 7 cents 46 and 9 cents 68. So as long as we're on this box, nothing is bullish. In terms of support goes, if it's not the 786, yeah, we clearly wicked under and kind of like closed over the 786. So the last line of defense for Suku is around 5 cents 32. For whatever reason, if we do break below this point, then we are headed back to the all-time lows. And yeah, once we break 7.5 cents and 9 cents 68, I do put the next target at this previous wick at around 30 cents. Not financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. And then Nero. Oh, I know this one. This one's the one that's not the one that I always look at, which is this one, the one with the girl. Yeah, so nothing has changed with Nero based on the last video. We are still over 5 cents 20 to 6 cents 70. As the next area of resistance is 13 cents. Once 13 cents breaks, I do put the next target at the previous high, and we'll just have to mark the target at that point. However, if we do break down, 5 cents 20 to 6 cents 70 absolutely does need to hold. Not financial advice, just my opinion, but yeah, nothing has changed from the last time. Unfortunately, we are still stuck in this downtrend too. So just keep that in mind. We are making lower highs across the board. So Given that it does break 13 cents, you're going to invalidate that and you're going to have a breakout. So that's why 13 cents is crucial resistance that absolutely does need to break. Not financial advice, again, just my opinion. And thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate it. Hey, how are you? If you have time, can you please look at Suku? Yeah. Yes. Well, I just did. Oh, it's the same person. I was like, wait, this guy just asked me for the same coins that Louis the Cool did, but that's him. It's just one of them was highlighted because it was a super chat. Got it. $3 in bottle caps. Is cat and dogs world worth buying? Is that Mew? Oh man, I missed out on Mew. Here, I'll take a look at it. No, it's too expensive now, right? Yeah, look, I looked at it way down here and it like literally blew past that. Yeah, it's unfortunate. But I mean, like, look, like it's already $800 million market cap. I don't know. It's a gamble. I mean, you're looking at the next target once the previous high breaks at around 1 cent 50, which is what, like 70%? Yeah. And that's around also a $1.5 billion market cap. So just keep that in mind. Am I going to buy it? No. But you can. Like, I wouldn't buy it, no. We need to reach our areas of support. So at this point, as long as these targets on the way up is valid, as long as we stay over this box. As long as we stay over this box, 1 cent is valid, and then 1 cent 50 for all-time high is in play. So not financial advice, just I hate saying that, not financial. Obviously, if you're taking financial advice from Crypto Meow Analysis online, then like send me all your money, you know. Thank you. What about USDT? Oh wait, you're Johan. Are you still here? If you're still here, I'll look at Goldfinch for you. I'm just trying to find something to throw $100 in. Bro, throw $100 into this coin. Because I know you're on like Uniswap and stuff, right? Look at this. This is the coin that was listed on Coinbase. Protocol. It's a $57,000 market cap. But it got delisted and it went to 0. So don't do that. I'm just joking. Let's go, Josh Fahrenheit. Thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate it. You didn't really say anything, but if you want, let me know what coin you want me to look at, and I will take a look at it for you. Maybe you forgot to type in a message, but thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate it. You have Phantom? Oh, Phantom Wallet. Yeah, I remember I downloaded that. Well, oh, hey, buy this coin. I'm like telling you to buy this coin. No, don't buy this coin. But look, 21,000 mark. Oh wait, hold on. Let me look at Dogs of Elon. Just supporting Elon gang? Heck yeah, thank you. Dogelon Mars to the moon. Yeah, I'm still waiting. Unfortunately, we're coming back down, but let me do this and then I'll show you Dogelon Mars. But we already know, so we already know. So I'm assuming you've been following my channel, so you already know nothing has changed, and we got stuck at resistance twice. So taking a look at Dogs of Elon, yeah, so 220 market cap, 880 million. So you know we're stuck in resistance. Last line of support is down here, which we don't have to worry. This might be, this might be a solid play. I wish we had bought, or I wish I had bought down here. This was just like 7 days ago, and it's already up like 100%. So congratulations to everybody that bought. Literally the last video I made, this was at 400,000 market cap, and it's now at 2x that. So it might be a good play, but I don't know. I know the community is also very active and they're awesome, and they always come in the chat and ask about it. So maybe that might be it. That's a huge gamble play though. Just FYI. Dogelon Mars. So taking a look at Dogelon for Josh and obviously the Dogelon community. So I have this graph drawn, and we have resistance in the box. The box is 6 zeros 13 to 6 zeros 15 to 6 zeros 18. You can see that we tagged the box twice now and got rejected both times. So that's why I'm not really excited, or I'm not screaming, oh, Dogelon Mars to the moon. It's because we're under this box. Once we get over this box, 604 is next, which is the previous high, and from there we're going to the moon. And then I'll be like, oh man, and then I'll make Dojo on Mars content every single day, right? No, I'm just joking. I mean, I've been making Dojo on Mars content like every week consistently, so I don't care that we're down. We're still going to talk about it. And this is one of the coins that I have, so obviously I care about it. On the way down, 7097 is the next area of support. This is personally where I'm going to buy more in dollar cost average down. If it never hits that point, then great. Then I'm already down. And like I said, I mean, obviously you probably know, my $4,000 went to 13 grand, and then now it's like negative. So how unfortunate is that? Because I didn't sell. But anyway, and I think I'm actually like down now for some reason, even though I bought here. Oh, because it's on Gemini, and this isn't really Gemini. But okay, anyway. Yeah, so that's all I got for Dojo on Mars. Nothing new, nothing exciting. But again, when all the good news comes out, we should be fine. Just bought 100 billion of baby Dogecoin, only $300. Baby Dogecoin. Let's look at that. Isn't that the Lindsay Lohan one? That's the Lindsay Lohan endorsement one, right? Yeah, but this is at its all-time high. Yeah, this is at its all-time high, so $300 is 100 billion coins. How many coins does this have? Oh, wow. This thing has, oh my gosh, what is that? Million, billion, trillion, quintillion. Wow. It has 154 quintillion. So 154 trillion, quintillion, 494 trillion, 26 billion, 247,971,040 Dogecoin in circulation supply. Oh my gosh, that is a lot. I can't believe I actually set the number too. What do you mean wrong? Is this the wrong coin? Am I looking at the wrong coin? Which one's the one that Lindsay Lohan... Are you saying that this is the wrong coin? Or are you saying that this is the coin that Lindsay Lohan isn't sponsoring? Right? Or is it Baby Doge is the one that she's doing? No. I don't know. I'm over it. I got over it real fast. Okay. What else am I looking at? Like, we looked at Dogecoin. Am I missing something? Oh, Johan wanted USDC dominance and Goldfinch, which we I said if she's here, let me know. But she's not here, so unfortunately. Alrighty, let's look at the comments. Thanks for. Oh wait, hold on. Thanks for the forecast. A bit off topic, but I want to ask. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys noticed, but sometimes I get comments on my videos that say, "Hey, I wanted to ask. I have a SafePal wallet with USDC. I have a seed phrase. My seed phrase is alarm, fetch, burn, bridge, exercise, blah blah blah. How should I go about transferring them to Binance?" Like, they're clearly trying to scam you. They're trying to have somebody log into that or go into it, and then they're gonna steal your money somehow. All right, looking at BTC short-term TA, I just did it, but you know what? I will do it again because I like you. Yeah, so for short-term TA goes on Bitcoin, and then I'll look at Goat Sis Maximus. I don't even know what that is. Short-term TA on Bitcoin. It is over the 76. Previous high is next, followed by 96,000. Wait, why? Oh no, because I didn't do. Hold on. There we go. Previous high. $96,000 is next, as long as it stays over, was it 62.64? Well, actually, I did it from here last time. Yeah. So, yeah, if we get some sort of breakdown, and that's why I don't want to get my hopes up, because we're literally still getting stuck. Technically, we're still getting stuck. You see how we're literally still getting stuck? That's not good. So we have support at 62 to 64. With any sort of breakdown, we're looking at 62, 64. And then we're going to the shadow realm if that breaks. If it doesn't, 74,000, 95,000 is next. Up to 95, 96,000, sorry. Not financial advice. This is my short term. And then what is this? Goatsius Maximus. Is that a troll? Oh, it's not. It's not a troll. I thought he was making fun of me. I was going to ban him. I'm just joking. I wasn't going to ban you. Goatsius Maximus. So this is, I'm assuming you're a gambler because this just came out and you're gambling. However, your gamble is up 100x, so congratulations. I mean, I can't really do TA on this because I don't even know. I guess technically next, the correction is here. Next target is 85 cents. And then I guess $2, right? And then support, we could say 23632, which is also consolidation. I mean, this is on the hourly, so I don't like doing TA like this because, again, this coin came out 10 days ago. But again, 34 to 25 cents, 32 to 25 cents support, 86 cents is the next target on the way up. If that breaks, you're going parabolic to $2. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Congratulations if you bought this coin and you already 10x. If you did, feel free to hit the super chat button. And if not, then you don't need to. I'm just joking, so. Are we finally about to get to, yeah, maybe. If it goes below 62,000, we're going to go to the shadow realm. And nobody wants to hear that, and my portfolio doesn't want to hear that. But if we break below 62,000, we're done. We're cooked. We're out. I'm getting evicted. I'm just joking, but yeah. Slowly, oh, the heart, yes. Everyone hit the party poppers. That's funny. That's pretty funny. All right, I think, I mean, I kind of stayed here a little bit longer, so I'm live streaming for hour 43 minutes. Shadow Realm doesn't scare me anymore either. Well, I think that happens when you lose enough money. Like, I've made money, I've lost money, and it's just like, you just gotta hold. I bought Turbo 2 weeks ago and made 7K. Let's go! Congratulations, Profit Pursuit. That's really good. Congratulations. Look at this. Yeah, because you're all the way up. Like, if you bought it 2 weeks ago, yeah, you're up like 100x. So you put in 7K, you take out 14. So congratulations. Here, I'm gonna get my water really quick, and then I'll call it a live stream. Is it done? Almost. Bacon. Alrighty. Exactly. If you're up, you're not scared, but if you're down, you're like, ooh. Like, for example, for this coin, right? For a coin like this, where your all-time high is only 50% away from making a new all-time high, you're kind of screwed, right? I mean, there is no next area of support. The next area of support would be this previous, it was already tagged, so it wouldn't even, it's just going to break and go down to the previous lows. But I will make it if this thing goes back up to its all-time high. That's a 13x. I am done. I'm out. I'll be done with it. I'll be fine with a 13x, honestly. But anyway, we were calling it, and then more people asked for coins. So I'm gonna make my watch list videos tomorrow. So all these videos I'm gonna post in the morning. I'm gonna make videos on each one and post them, and then obviously I'll see you guys in Vision's live stream, and then after Vision I'm gonna go live. So obviously I don't want to do it at the same time as him. I want to do it after him. So all these videos will be posted. I'm gonna go live stream around, I don't know, 11 or 12 again, whenever he's done, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you everybody that stopped by. Hold on, what did he say? I make good money, so I only spend what I'm willing to lose. I don't put everything in on it. That's good, because most people put everything. Most people take out loans and put money on crypto. I've done that in the past. I did that in 2018, and I remember I lost like $800, and I felt so bad, and I sold it, and I paid back my loan, and I remember I was like, man, I just lost like $800, like just for nothing. And also you have to pay the loan fee. Like there was like a $250 loan fee. I did that in 2017, and I never did that again. That was horrible. What a really bad mistake. But anyway, yeah. I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night. Thank you for everybody with the super chats. I really appreciate it, and thank you so much. Do you take? I don't do donations to Cash App. No, I don't. Just super chats really, and I don't really have anything else. But thank you. I really appreciate the thought. I do appreciate that. But you know, no worries. I'll catch you guys in the next live stream, and have a great night. Happy Friday, and yeah, bye. And then outro. What is it? Post your Venmo so you can make more money. I don't have a Venmo. I don't have Venmo or Cash App or anything, and I can't really post my Zelle because that's my what do you call it? My email or like my phone number. Yeah, so maybe I'll make a Venmo then, and then I'll put my Venmo on here. But I'll have to create one, so I'll have to like create one. But yeah, thank you for the suggestion. I'd Venmo you. I really appreciate that. Thank you, and I do appreciate the super chat. So I really do appreciate it. But thank you so much again. I will let you know when I do make a Venmo. If I do, which I'm pretty sure now I will. Just because you said that, now you're gonna have to. Now I'm gonna make you feel obligated. Like you're gonna come to the live stream. Hey man, where's the Venmo? Huh? You said you were gonna Venmo me. No, I'm just joking. Only a couple seconds to make a Venmo. Yeah, I'll make a Venmo. I'll make a Venmo by the end of the week, and then I'll post it. And then on Monday when I go live stream, I'll have the Venmo up on my channel. So. Anyway, thank you everybody. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna cut the live stream. Otherwise, I'm gonna keep talking and yapping. So thank you everybody for the super chats. I really appreciate it, and I will catch you guys in the next live stream tomorrow.